Another day, another pair of earbuds. Welcome back guys to another video of premium wireless earbuds. This time we have got these PaMu Z1 wireless earbuds from Padmate. This glowing logo of PaMu gives really premium feel. At the bottom side some main features are mentioned, and let me tell you that I have already unboxed this and been using this for one day. So inside this box we get our earbuds at the front, and then under that we have our Type-C charging cable as usual, a leather bag to carry these earbuds, looks really premium, some paperwork, and this QR code to download PaMu app. Again a thick diary which I'm obviously gonna ignore. At the last, in this little box we have 4 sets of extra ear tips, so you can try out which one fits perfectly in your ears. Again, this one was really a cool thing. Like, I've never seen 4 sets of ear tips in any of the premium earbuds I have reviewed till now. Alright, so let's check it out. The case is pretty much same in size as of AirPods Pro from Apple, and this little glass is actually a really cool thing. I'll show you in a bit. When you put them on charging, it automatically starts to light up. Yes. The charging port is at the bottom, and these earbuds are actually lightweight and feels so handy. Some specs are mentioned inside the case which are really hard to read. So this is how the internal of the case looks like. It is super clean and white, looks really premium. The lid is really responsive. It attaches with magnets to close the case instantly. And here we go, our main thing, the earbuds. Look at them, the size and the build quality is super premium. Honestly guys, this thing feels so much premium in hands. Alright, so these 2 holes are actually the microphones and these are the speakers, and at the back side we have these 2 sensors for transparency mode and active noise cancellation, which works really well. Now let me show you the working. So first of all, you have to download the PaMu app from Play Store or App Store. After downloading the app and connecting earbuds with Bluetooth, you will see all of the controls of PaMu Z1 in this app. Just ignoring the broken display of phone, let's go ahead, and you can see here we can change the name of earbuds as well. For example, let's put Mr. Buds here. If you want to use a single piece, you can unlink it from here and use it as a single piece. And here are the transparency and ANC features. You can also turn them on and off from touch buttons on earbuds. Now let me tell you that these earbuds have actually very well functioning transparency and active noise cancellation features. I mean, yeah, there are some other premium ones like AirPods Pro, but this thing, the PaMu Z1, is providing more than enough quality in this price tag. By the way, if you use my voucher Azeem 25, then you can avail extra 25% discount on checkout, and these will be on sale for Black Friday really soon. Then just below that we have some modes, and I have tested them in gaming as well. This thing provides ultra low latency mode in this PaMu Z1, and they just outperforms in gaming. The low latency mode of these earbuds is really great. I felt no lag or any high MS issues. It was all smooth experience. Now let's check out the touch functions. You can see all of them on this paper. So on a single tap, it will play or pause the video or music or whatever you are playing. While double tap on right earbud will play the next video, and double tap on left one will move back to the previous video. So talking about the transparency and active noise cancellation, to turn on ANC mode, just long press on the right one, and to turn on transparency, just long press on the left one. In this way you don't always need to open the app to turn these things on and off. Now talking about my honest thoughts on these PaMu Z1 earbuds. The build quality is great, the sound quality is great, the bass and 3D sounds are super great and feels so much realistic. ANC and transparency features are working very well. I have tried couple of premium earbuds in the same price tag of $99 but never found these ANC and transparency features working super great like this. So this is something that makes these one really special from rest of the earbuds. So that's all for these PaMu Z1 earbuds. I hope you guys must enjoyed the video. If yes, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to buy your own pair of PaMu Z1 through the link in the description below. And I'll see you in the next one.